to welcome you, our outstanding student athletes, here tonight with your family, your mentors, your friends.
So we have students who excel on the football field or excel in drama or music or lacrosse, all the cool sports, but also those academics. These students all have phenomenal GPAs, they're involved in their communities.
I think it's really important for them to realize that you're not going to see success every single day and that success is going to look different, and it could be as simple as those little wins, those little deposits that you're doing every single day. So kind of just reshaping as they go into that next phase of their life, like what success can look like and how it can build for something really big in their futures.
It was amazing, our football season didn't go exactly as planned, so to be awarded this and get acknowledgement, it really felt good.
Definitely sometimes it's stressful, but it's very rewarding being able to look back and be like, dang, I did that, like that's pretty cool, and I balanced all of that.
It's been hard. I definitely have to figure out my priorities, whether I'm like, what do I want to focus on, school or practice? Like, what's more important? And I figure it out. Also sleep, that's a big thing I have to figure out as well, but yeah, it's good.
To the mentors in this room, thank you. Your dedication, encouragement, and belief in these young people have helped shape their journey.
Christy Nichols is my mentor. She's really important to me because typically people don't say their librarian is their mentor, but as a librarian, she has not only helped me network with other people who like subjects I do, but she's connected me with these unique opportunities and organizations.
West Point. I mean, that is elite.
Yes, sir.
How excited are you for that opportunity?
I'd say the most excited I've ever been in my life. Awesome opportunity back in New York, and then just great experiences while you're there. So many new things, ton of challenges, but I'm excited for the person that'll make me out on the outside.